My name is Bob Franz and I'm the advisor for the Southwest engineering team. Today we're talking about the electrical system on our typical Electrothon vehicle. 24 volts, two 12-volt batteries hooked in series. As long as the batteries are one of the identified brand and type, we don't have to weigh them. The rules say that together the batteries can weigh 73 pounds. I think Alora talked to you about batteries. The controls for our Electrothon is a foot pot. This is a 0 to 5,000 ohm variable resistor. One of the things you have to check for is to make sure that it springs back to off. Needs to have a dead man switch so that it turns off. Other switches are these main power switches. There should be two of them on the car. One of them that can be easily reached and controlled by the driver, and one outside the car in case of an accident that can be turned off by the crew. Motor controller is a pulse width modulation unit. These are typically either all-tracks or older models will be Curtis. Again, we're looking for tight connections, and there's three controls that connect to the foot pot. The wires, make sure the appropriate size. Most of the units will have a shunt so that they can read the amperage in the system. They'll also have some type of monitoring to let the driver know how many volts and how many amps are being used at a time. Our system is, this is our load bank system. We don't have a system together in the car at this time. We replace the motor with a resistor. But the motor will either be a pancake type like this, or a standard conventional motor. Again, tight connections, nothing loose, motor tight. That's pretty much it. I think I got everything that time.
And we'll go down to where the motor is mounted on the car.
Yeah, you can just show that.
So the motor is mounted underneath the car, and then the electrical system will be mounted on the side of the car. And again, it takes you forward to where that cutoff valve is for the driver to easily access.
Yeah.
Thank you.